Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix the error compiling movie issue in Premiere Pro when rendering out. If you ever waited for a long time only to see this error message at the end, don't worry, let's dive into fixing this problem. This error can occur due to various reasons, often relative problem due to a footage or effect layer that Premiere Pro struggle to export. If you ever apply effects using extension or something like that, try removing them. Another troubleshooting step is to go to the file and then project setting and click on the general, and here we need to change the render to either Mercury Playback Engine GPU or Mercury Playback Engine software only. Try both to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, we need to identify which part of the timeline is causing the problem. Select all of your footage, go to the sequence, then select render selection and let it finish rendering. If it stops or gets stuck at certain points such as 65% or something like that, it indicates the problem area. To fix this, you have to render the problematic section using any other software you like, but I'll use it Camtasia, or you can use online video editor. You don't have to install anything. So once rendered, import the footage back into the Premiere Pro and replace the problematic section. After rendering, try exporting the video again. If done successfully, you should no longer encounter the error compiling movie or frame creation error. You can play the final output in VLC or any media player without any issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.